Hi guys, welcome back to another fun makeup video with MyGlamm. In today's video, we'll be creating natural soft rose makeup look for you. So sit back, follow along and let's get the glam on. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Do try this look and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, do let us know what other looks you guys would want us to create. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm. Bye!